on this test paper. Okay, so the hard copy that you got, I'm giving you a hard copy. You can write on it, and you must show your work. Again, you must show your work on the hard copy. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hard copy. Here are some formulas that you may need. Here's the Pythagorean theorem: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Standard form: ax plus by equals c. Slope-intercept form: y equals mx plus b. And then the slope formula: m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Refer to these as you need them, okay? All right, let's look at number 1. Use the graph to answer question number 1. All right, what is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form? All right, so basically what we need to do is find the equation that goes with this line. Here's some things you can do. First, find the y-intercept, and then find the slope, and then see which formula there fits that. Okay, so there are 3 points of intersection that I would start with, at least those 3. Find my y-intercept, and then I would draw my slope triangles and find the slope, and then look and see which formula fits that for that line. And number 2 goes with it. You're going to write the linear equation in number 1 into standard form. So whichever equation that you pick here, you're going to change that into standard form. Okay? And these are things that we've done in class all week. So number 1 and number 2 are linked together. Number 3, use the graph to answer question number 3. Once again, we're going to write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. So look at this line. Let's find our y-intercept. Let's find our slope. And then we're going to write the equation in slope-intercept form. And then number 4 corresponds to number 3. Once you see the formula here, you're going to change that formula into standard form. All right? And again, these are things that we've done all week for the last couple of days practicing this. So here, y-intercept form, and then you're going to change that into, this is slope-intercept form. You're going to change that into standard form here, okay? Show your work. Be sure to show your work. Ms. Hyde wants you to show all of your work, okay? All right, number 5. It says determine the slope when given the equation of a line in standard form. 3x plus 5y equals 3. If you want to determine the slope, the best way to do that is to turn it into the slope-intercept form. How do you turn it into slope-intercept form? Solve for y. Okay? Take this, solve for y. All right? And then it's asking you to determine the slope. All right? So once you solve for y, you're not done. You still got to determine the slope. So that is a key word. Okay? Number 6 is the same thing. It says determine the slope when given the equation of a line in standard form. 2x minus y equals 6. Again, you're going to solve for y. And once you solve for y, you're going to figure out what the slope is. Okay? Number 7. Heather earned $174 for working 24 hours at the athletic store. And she earned $290 for working 40 hours. Determine her hourly rate of pay. Now, I'm giving you 2 options here. You can use the slope formula, which was listed at the top of your hard copy. You can go back and look at the slope formula. And you can do that by getting your ordered pair. All right. Or you can just do unit rate. Either way that you want to do it, I'm giving you a choice. You're still going to get the correct answer, but you must show your work and show us how you got it done, okay? You got to show your work. Number 8, a dishwasher used 65 gallons of water to wash 5 loads. If it used 156 gallons of water to wash 12 loads, determine gallons used per wash. Again, 2 choices. Use the slope formula. You can do your ordered pair and do your slope formula, find the slope, or unit rate. However you do it, show your work. However you do it, show your work. All right, number 9 and 10. Number 9, a soccer field is a rectangle 90 meters wide and 120 meters long. The coach asks players to run from one corner, to the corner diagonally across the field. What is this distance? use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Use the Pythagorean theorem. And then number 10, Jill's front door is 42 inches wide and 84 inches tall. She is going to do a decorative painting design diagonally from one corner to the other. How long will the design be? Once again, use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Use the Pythagorean theorem, and those are listed up front at the top of the quiz. Show your work. On 9 and 10, show your work just like you did on everything else, okay? And this concludes the quiz for week 3 for our flashback. If you got questions, be sure to raise your hand, okay? Good luck.